G'day coppers, welcome back to the bush. Actually, the driveway again. Now in this video we're going to have a look at the King's 7-inch driving lights. Are they any good? What about the wiring? Is that easy to put in? Do they block off the cooling to your radiator? All these questions and more. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, for a bit of a size comparison between the two, here's the old ones, and they're about 6 inches across, that's about 150mm, and the new ones are about 7 inches across, or about 180mm. So the new ones present a sizable increase in area that might affect the flow, but we'll find out soon. In order to get the pressure measurements, I've placed two pipes, one in front of the radiator, which you can probably see down there. The second one is just up near the valve cover there. Now I've run the two pipes down the side of the car and into the cabin, and they're running to the manometer on the right hand side there, and on the left hand side I'll just be using a tablet for GPS speed measurement. Here we are at 100 km an hour with no spotlights on the front of the car, and again it seems to be about 1 inch of water depression in between the front and behind the radiator. Okay, so here we are at 100 km an hour. This is with the small spotlights, and we're getting about 1 inch or thereabouts of water in between the front and behind the radiator. Okay, so here we are at 100 km an hour. With the new King's 7-inch LED driving lights, and we seem to be sitting at about 0.7 to 0.8 of an inch of water, so we've definitely seen a drop in pressure across the radiator. Okay, so why do you need a pressure differential across the radiator? So if you don't have a pressure differential across the radiator, and that means a higher pressure in front of the radiator and a lower pressure in the engine compartment, you don't actually get any airflow through the radiator. So the higher pressure differential between the front of the radiator and the rear of the radiator, the more airflow you're getting through. If you have a look on the left hand side of the graph, you can see with no spotlights we're sitting at about 1 inch or thereabouts. With the small spotlights, it didn't seem to affect it that much. I'm still sitting at around about a 1 inch average, but when we went to the larger 7-inch King spotlights, we dropped off down to 0.8, or a good 20% of our airflow, just from little 7-inch spotlights. So if you go for the 9-inch spotlights, or even worse, 3 spotlights and then maybe a winch controller out the front, you can imagine how much flow you're impeding into your radiator that's helping to cool your engine. Now, does that affect things? Well, it depends on how much cooling capacity your engine has in reserve. So your mileage may vary, but it's never a good thing. But how do they work out in the bush? Well, let's head out and have a look. Okay, so this is low beam with just a set of normal halogens, and that's the halogen high beam in the Land Cruiser. Just standard halogen bulbs. And now we'll turn on the spotlights, and as you can see it's a lot bluer light. A lot of spread side by side, which is good for low range off-road work. Not a lot of penetration, so probably not the best light for your freeway. You're probably better off sticking to a HID or even a halogen pencil beam, which will get a lot further down the road. But for low range off-road work, good light. Right, so what do we think in the end? Well, I was actually pleasantly surprised with not only the performance but the build quality of the King's gear. I know it's got a pretty bad rap, a lot of their gear, and quite deservedly so, especially the early Tigers 11 stuff. But this stuff, not too bad. Would I consider having it on a daily? Yeah, probably I would. Anyway, if you liked the video, what do you say?
Please like, comment, hit the little notification bell and subscribe.
Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one. You know what you're saying, yeah? I'm going to do this now, because I don't know how many cracks you've had at it, but it's more than is acceptable. Okay, so what do you say?
Make sure to leave a like, comment, hit that little notification bell and subscribe.
Beauty.
Okay.
Alright.